Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pass data to a group in a Bubble. So I have this group right here and I want to pass the data I input here. And once I click on the save button, it should show up on this group, for example, like this one here. Now, first, what we'll do, we will go ahead and assign this group a type of content. So I'll click on the group and the type of content, I'll choose text. And then we need a visual element right here. I'll go ahead and create a text visual element, and then we'll click here on insert dynamic data. And what we want to do, the data source should be the parent group's text. When you go ahead and run this one, let's do a preview. If we come here, if you type anything, let's say hello, nothing will show up here yet. Even if you click on this button, it doesn't do anything. What we now need to do is we need to go ahead and click on the button, for example, and then add a workflow. And in this case, we have the element as the button. That's fine. And then we'll click on this plus icon. And what we'll do, we'll hover over here where you see element actions. And what I want you to do is I want you to choose display data in a group or pop-up. And then for the element, we'll go ahead and choose the group text right here, that group, and the data to display will be the input, right? The input A from here, and we want the value. So we're getting this value here. When the button is saved, it'll be displayed here on that visual element. So we're basically done. We can go ahead and run this one. Let's do a preview. Let's go ahead and type in, let's say hello world. Okay, and then once we click on save, there you go. And that is how to pass data to a group in Bubble.